Namaste, beautiful soul. Welcome to day number 4 of these 7 days meditating together. The meditation today is dedicated to the heart, to the love. We're going to tell ourselves through meditation that everything is alright, that everything is where it's supposed to be, to feel some peace. So if you're ready in your special spot, we're going to begin. But first, please don't forget to give a like to this video and to subscribe to my channel so you have access to all the videos that I share for you. So we are gonna start our meditation number 4, our 4th day together. First, please take a deep breath in through your nose, long and deep, and then exhale everything out through the mouth. That's how we settle in our sacred place. The meditation today, it's about how to express to our soul, to our heart, that everything is okay. Even in the middle of chaos situation or uncertainty or daily problems, how to believe and feel that everything is okay. So first, bring your hands to your heart, both hands touching your heart, finding your heartbeat on your chest. This is a love meditation. It's a meditation dedicated to the heart, to the center of our emotions, the center of our feelings. And taking deep breath in and deep breath out, we find the heartbeat. Open your inner ears and try to find that sound from your inside out. So discover the sound of your heartbeat, the music of your heart, the beautiful music that your heart is making. So by placing your hands on your chest and finding your heart, both hands touching your heart, just by this action you start giving some love to your heart. So whenever you feel sad or depressed, give some love to your heart. Bring your hands to your heart center. Find your heartbeat. Take deep breath. And now bring a smile to your face. Allow that smile to be big. Allow your lips to expand. And with that smile, take a deep breath in so you also feel your heart expanding. And as soon as you do that, as soon as you inhale and smile big, something shifts. And your heart feels better. Because you're smiling, and that's the power behind each smile. Even when you smile for no reason, you just smile, but that expression has the power to make your heart feel okay. So for a few minutes, just continue breathing in and breathing out. You already know how to take deep breath and allow your breath to express with freedom, expanding the lungs and the rib cage, But keep your hands touching your heart, and please keep that smile on your face and continue breathing in and breathing out, being present on your heart. Happiness is our natural state. Let's go back there. Find happiness in every breath that you take. Find peace by breathing in and breathing out and no rushing. Everything is okay. When you feel overwhelmed by situations, by life itself, still tell yourself that everything is okay. Bring a smile to your lips and bring your hands to your heart. Feel your heartbeat. Connect with that music. Find harmony in your heart. Find balance when you're breathing in, breathing out. Because happiness happens when your mind, your heart, your body and your soul are resonating in tune. Make that smile bigger. Feel the power. Live in your truth. Allow happiness to arise from your heart with every breath that you take. And that's how we continue breathing in and breathing out. And we feel the love in our heart. And we feel peace in our mind. We feel balance in our body. And promise to yourself, promise to your heart that you will smile more. That you will not wait to have a reason to smile. You will just smile. and you will feel happiness in your heart. Smile and continue breathing in, breathing out, and you might see a lot of things falling into place. And now with that beautiful smile on your lips, take the deepest inhale of your day so far. Exhale everything out through your mouth, and at the same time open your hands like a flower opening, like a lotus flower opening. Send out a beautiful energy into the world. Your smile, your love, your peace, your happiness. Because all that you give, you receive. I am Pau, and I am very proud of you. If you like this meditation, you can do it again. You can repeat it another day. And I will see you tomorrow for our meditation number 5, our 5th day together. We're gonna do meditation to release tension, to feel better, relief, and to feel more light. So I see you tomorrow in your sacred space. Namaste.